are you recording me right now?
No, I'm recording
Okay,
this.
Mark is getting a slider, and I'm gonna put it in kid sliders because he identifies as a kid today.
Sounds good.
I think so.